so it's 8:20, I think. So, and I have the pickup 8:30. It would have been nice to take a swim there, but I should have done it yesterday, but I was too sick. So here we are. Traveling to Thailand today. Yeah, this is my face. It doesn't look. Maybe some glands in the eye. It's just a cold. I don't have anything in my throat or anything. So yeah, this one is still 19.5 and this is around 7, so I've maxed it up. Yeah, so now I'm gonna go down. Thank you very much. So there you go. That was my drive, and it took around only 20 minutes, but it's because the traffic was okay now. So I'm here at the International, and yeah, it's 3 hours and 15 minutes through my flight, so I'm here in time. So we have the party gates here. I'm going to gate number 6. They said they were supposed to have masks here, but there's a lot of people who don't have masks. That was to check in, and yeah, I don't know what time it is. It took maybe, it was only one open a half an hour, I think, and then it sort of speeded up. So yes, I just have to find where the security, I think it's over here, and then I have to, yeah, drink some water and get rid of that and things like that. Okay, so here you have the grumpy Magnus again. I'm at the airport, and I'm getting furious about how the airport, the coffee and the food chains here, they so use the fact that we are trapped here. The prices here are like double, triple, and sometimes 4 times as high as in the city. It's ridiculous. I mean, I mean, the airport and the airlines, they want us to be here very early, and especially nowadays, because you don't really know how long the security thing will go. Then you have a lot of time spending here, and of course you're gonna get like hungry, and then you need something to eat. But these prices are, yeah, and a journey, when you're traveling, you're supposed to start off with a good thing, and this is not a good thing. It gets me in a very bad mood, actually. I get like frustrated and angry, and because they're using people. They use the fact that people are stuck here. Shape up and be better, Bali Airport. There's our plane. And here we have this one here. Garuda Vishnu Park. So I didn't get to visit it this time, so then I just have to come back. We are about to, yeah, I think they started maybe boarding. Did I see a person there? Yeah. My seat is 7D, so I'm in the front, and so I take it easy and go in one of the last ones. It's been marvelous. I mean, this month has been like, wow. We had the boat trip, and it was so long ago. It was like 3 months ago or something, but it was only 3 weeks ago. But still, it's like, yeah, you do so many things, so it's like hard to get grip on everything. Yeah. So we'll see what happens in Thailand. Right now, I feel like I'm gonna take like a few days off. So maybe I'll start with that, and then we'll see. Maybe I want to go to an island and just be there for the rest of the, because I need to, yeah, to also not be worn out. Okay, so I arrived here at Don Mueang airport in Bangkok, and that's an airport which I haven't been to before. I've always come to Sukhumvit, I think it's called. Yeah. So this is a new experience. It went very, very nice because I'm coming from another country, and then I'm going to do a transfer to a domestic flight. So then everybody's going to check their luggage, to claim the luggage. And we just like did a detour, and then we like sort of immigrated into the country, and it was only two persons before me, so it was very, very quick, and now I'm here. And it's been so strange because when I first bought the ticket, it was a stop in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia and then to Chiang Mai. Then I got an email. It said no, it's been changed, so the departure from Bali was later. And then I would not have my transfer in Kuala Lumpur, I will have it in Bangkok instead. And that was like, I was supposed to leave from here, I was supposed to leave 17:05, but then they changed it again. So now I have a flight leaving 17:35. So it's been like 3 changes. I hope this will be the right one. So the time is now 15:36. Yeah, 20 minutes to 4. So I have more than like almost 2 hours until the train departs, and I have a pre-booked meals on both these planes. Apparently, it was spicy, and that was kind of I was surprised about that. And then I will have something else now on this flight, but maybe I will have something peckish. Hopefully it's not as expensive here as it was in Bali. Oh. But I'm still a little bit worried. Here you have like 17:35, yeah, Krabi, but maybe hopefully the next one is going to say Chiang Mai. They have something here called potato corner, which sounds interesting. This is sort of like, I don't know, different kind of fries. That was like reasonable prices, but they had Burger King here, and I saw the prices, and oh, yeah, shame on you. So expensive. Yes, I'm a happy guy. Gate 56, my God, it's a big airport. 56, and what is this? Oh, I need to walk. Wow, that way. The future is here. Well, you've had it sort of like cutting grass like this, but I haven't seen. This is like a different version of 3PTO, D330. I don't know. I don't think I've talked to you about the currency. Well, now in Thailand, but in Bali, it was kind of difficult to figure out how much things were, because if it was 100 rupiah, that's the same thing as 7 euros or $7, like £6. So 70 spänn. It was not so easy. But here in Thailand, you divide everything in 3 for getting the Swedish currency. So 100 baht is divided in 3, 33 kronor, or 3 euros, or $3, or £2.5, or maybe 2. Yeah, so it's more difficult if you have pound. But yeah, so it's easier in a way. Divide it in 3, and there you have it. So I just arrived here in Chiang Mai, and they had my name on the list because I had international connecting, and then I have to have go to international baggage claim. It's a special baggage claim. How strange. I don't know if there's some special security system, but shouldn't that be... It could be done at the same place? I mean, the baggage should be on the same plane, shouldn't it? Or has it come to another plane? I don't know. Maybe they have something about the security that they have some special machines to go through it or something like that. I don't know. So I'm here, but I'm a little bit like, it looked like it was very far to the city. But then I talked to a guy there and he said 200 baht for a van. And he said like, oh, it's 20 minutes. So 20 minutes is not that far. They said there should be like, I don't know, rickshaws or something like outside here, but I don't see any. I'll just walk around a little bit and see what I can find. So I came out international departures, and here's nothing. And it's very like car-like. I mean, Chiang Mai is the second biggest town in... Oh, okay, this will be very interesting. Okay, so I talked to a security guy and he said, oh, there's no taxis out here, so you have to like book one or if you want. So so here we have public transportations and stuff and taxis and okay, so I found something here. Okay, so that was easy. It says 150 to downtown, and I'm here at sort of, I think it's gate door number 1. Yeah. So here you find different, and 150 baht is around $5, 50 kronor. So and then I just gonna change this, show it to someone, and then I will go there. And yeah, I came out here and show this to the ladies here, and now I'm just gonna wait 1 minute, and there will be a driver for me, and then I pay the driver 150 baht. So I've arrived at Mandala House. So it has a lot of things. Well, it's quite big, but it's not the most luxurious I've been to. But it will fine. It will be just fine. It was very cheap actually. Refrigerator is working and the AC is working. So and hopefully the Wi-Fi will work. I'll look into that now.